Guys, hello. Hi YouTube family and friends. So what I'm going to show you guys, went off camera there for a minute, is the little hotel room and a brief storytelling, and then I gotta get a shower and go to bed. But I just want to show you guys. Okay. So I am at the Hampton Inn. And I'm glad I came back out here because this is the hallway, because I left some stuff at the door that I would have forgot about. So these are the hallways, as you can see, everything. And then this is my room. And I'm trying not to see it. And I'm gonna lock that door. So yeah, so as you can see, it has really nice little top floor, big huge bathroom with the white towels, and I really like the shelves. And let's turn the light on. It's me, guys. And then we got modern looking sink or whatever, and you know, it's pretty cute. And then the shower, which I am about to use, 3 little hooks, and it's got like a sliding door, ooh, which is really screechy, and a full-length mirror. Yeah, but I go down. Also, this is the phone. Very cute. I use one to put all my stuff on, you know, like luggage, and then one to sleep in. So I freaking love the 2-bedroom deal. And then I put Sandy Bear here. It's got a nice flat screen, microwave. Inside here we got a mini fridge. That's nice. My family treats me right, you guys. And then inside of here is like some shelves and a Bible, which I wish I had time to read before bed. However, I don't. They do have free breakfast in the morning, and I did request a late checkout, which is at 12, which usually is at 11. But I requested a late checkout for tomorrow morning and the next morning because I stay here tonight and tomorrow night. And this is the last little thing, which is just a desk, and a really cute contemporary lamp here, and my house with my baggy clothes on, guys. And then of course the AC unit. And then out here, do we have a pool? I don't know. Yeah, we do. So that's what's up. But here's the story time, just really quick. I had to drive 7 hours and I was sleepy, so I drove 7 hours to get here, guys. And from Florida to Georgia, because my dad passed to be with King Jesus, so I drove 7 hours in my used car that I just bought, mind you, and I got new tires on it. So I've invested money into the car, and maybe it's not bad as it seems, which is the great news. At least good news, because my car decided to break down after I've been driving.